Buju, Wagoshindagu Minawa, Migizi and Dodem. We have a saying in Ojibwe, Gishbin Wika, Anizagakwa, Gibimadizi win, Abajitun Giwagaakwad. And what that translates to is if there's ever a bramble in your life, pick up your axe. And it's a metaphor. And what it means is that if things ever get hard, pick up your ways, go to ceremony, seek your community and your people. And I've always believed that we kind of become who we hang out with. And in this day and age, a lot of us struggle looking for a spiritual connection, healing, and things like that. And it's a good reminder, this simple saying, that if we go to ceremonies and hang out with the spirits that are there and our fellow natives, imperfect though we all are, it helps us become and think and live a more spiritual life. Gishbin wika anizagakwa gibimadiziwin abajitun giwagaakwad. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, free Ojibwe language resources, resources for teachers, and more. Miigwech.